Running out of storage space in your garage or backyard? A reliable outdoor shed can help organize your tools, equipment, and seasonal items while keeping everything protected from the elements. Today, we're reviewing the Keter Factor 6x3 Outdoor Storage Shed Kit, a compact yet practical storage solution designed for garden tools, patio furniture, bike accessories, beach chairs, and push lawnmowers. With a durable resin construction, wood-like appearance, weather-resistant design, and low-maintenance build, this shed aims to provide convenient outdoor storage without the hassle of traditional wooden sheds. But is this the right backyard storage solution for your home? Let's find out. The Keter Factor 6x3 shed is designed for homeowners who need extra storage without taking up too much outdoor space. Its compact footprint makes it ideal for patios, side yards, gardens, and smaller outdoor areas. Instead of leaving tools, outdoor equipment, or seasonal items exposed, this shed provides a dedicated storage area that helps keep your property cleaner and more organized. The taupe and brown finish gives it a natural appearance that blends well with most backyard environments. The biggest highlight is the durable resin construction. Unlike wooden sheds that can rot, warp, or require frequent maintenance, the Keter Factor uses weather-resistant resin panels designed to handle outdoor conditions. The exterior features a realistic wood-like texture, giving it an attractive appearance while maintaining the benefits of synthetic materials. Its compact 6x3 size provides enough room for storing essential outdoor items like gardening tools, folding chairs, small patio equipment, and lawn accessories. The double-door design allows easier access when loading and removing larger items. Storage organization is another major advantage. The shed includes built-in features that help maximize available space and keep items arranged neatly. The sturdy floor panel helps protect stored items from direct ground contact, while the weather-resistant design helps keep moisture and dirt away from your belongings. The shed is also designed for relatively simple assembly compared to traditional wooden structures. Because resin construction does not require painting, staining, or regular upkeep, maintenance is minimal throughout the year. In everyday use, the Keter Factor 6x3 shed performs well as a convenient outdoor storage solution. It provides excellent protection for garden equipment, outdoor accessories, and seasonal items. The enclosed design keeps your belongings organized while protecting them from sun exposure, rain, and everyday outdoor conditions. The compact size makes it easy to place in smaller spaces where a larger shed would not fit. While it may not replace a large heavy-duty storage building, it works extremely well for homeowners who need practical storage for everyday outdoor essentials. So, is the Keter Factor 6x3 outdoor storage shed worth buying? For homeowners looking for a compact, attractive, and low-maintenance storage solution, this shed is an excellent choice. The combination of durable resin construction, weather resistance, wood-like appearance, easy maintenance, and practical storage capacity makes it a great addition to patios, gardens, and backyards. Although its compact size may not be enough for very large equipment collections, it is perfect for organizing garden tools, patio accessories, outdoor gear, and smaller lawn equipment. If you'd like to check the latest Amazon price or current discounts, you'll find the affiliate link in the description below. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest reviews of outdoor products, home improvement gear, storage solutions, and Amazon bestsellers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.